Alright guys, we're back here in the first shed. Nothing out on the line today. I swear I can't freaking buy a coyote right now. I don't know if it's this weather or what the hell, but yeah, it's annoying, to say the least annoying. It's starting to get a little colder here, so maybe it'll give them some more movement, but hey, can't catch them if you're not trying. So we're going to keep trying. But what I want to do is I want to do an unboxing. I ordered some stuff for the line a little over a week ago. I know shipping has been, it's a couple days till Christmas, so shipping's a little slow, but just want to give a shout out to these guys here. Blakeley Trapping Supply. You guys check him out, Blakeley's Trapping Supply. I found him on Facebook. He's got some the mystery box thing going on. He's got some drawings going on, and he's got his website. So, and I went on his website and ordered some stuff off his website. I've been shifting it around. I used to order just solely from Hoosier Trapper. I love their products, top-notch products. I ordered a bunch of stuff from Dunlap this year. Some funky trap tags and supplies. This is the first order I've gotten from Blakeley's. So I'm just going to do an unboxing. So first off, what we're going to do is we'll check out the smaller box. Spend over $100, get a free gift. I got a dozen wolf fang anchors. Everybody knows that watch the channel, I use the hell out of these things. Trapline antifreeze. Got 3 of these. I've never used it before. Everybody says give it a shot. Just mix it up with the dirt, sprinkle it on top, and keeps it from freezing up. So we're going to give this a shot once the ground starts freezing, if it ever freezes in Ohio this year. You got 3 pounds of that from Minnesota brand. I bought some Mark June's Predator Frenzy. Contains fox, coyote, and bobcat glands. 1 to 2 capfuls per set. That seems like a lot, but that's what it says. Give that a shot. It's the bigger bottle. I see it in my hand. Ordered some Dunlap coyote gland lure. I've heard good stuff about his coyote gland lure. I was almost out of coyote gland lure, so got some of this. Boy, is that full. That son of a bitch is full. So old Jeff didn't skimp on that one. That sucker's full. It started coming out as soon as I opened it. So, it didn't leak though. That's all for that box. This is the one I'm excited about. I've seen these bags, and I've wanted one for a while, because it beats the hell out of using a bucket. Got another bait there. And it's just a little trapper's tote. Set it up and show you guys. Personal letter from Jamie Blakeley. That's really cool. I like to see that kind of stuff. That means I'm supporting small businesses. Small businesses care. I appreciate that. Here's a little letter from him. It's a little thing. It explains what all of his baits and lures are. I'll let you guys, I'll put that up there, so maybe you guys can pause the video or whatever if you're curious. That's the baits and lures that he has, and that's the explanation of them. But this trapper's tote is what I've been really looking at. I've wanted one of these for quite a while. So it's got the tote on the inside. It's got straps for, I don't know if you can see it. There's straps that go on both sides. It looks like they're big enough for baits and lures in there. Pockets on the outside for urines, deeper pockets on this side. But this will hold all my set making supplies. That's exactly what I wanted. Instead of just, I can get a nice little, a comfortable grip. But solid bar that goes across the top. Pretty well built tote. I'm going to put it to the test. Rubber bottom. So that if you spill anything in here, it doesn't get down through the bottom into your set when you're sitting there. I like that. It's got pockets on the ends. I like that. So all your baits and lures that you're using can go in here. And I got one more. This should be bait, I think. Yeah, it's a long distance. This is his lure, Highway 90 Roadkill, and it says all predator lure with the skunky blood smell that has done very well on coyotes. So let's open it up and smell it, because honestly, I've been using Hellfire, and Hellfire just doesn't have the reach. I really believe that's some of my problem. I can smell this already without even opening it. Oh boy. Yeah. It's more of a pasty bait, or pasty lure, which I like. I don't like runny lures really as much. But, yeah. It smells to be some good stuff. So I'm pretty excited about this stuff. So, if you guys haven't checked out Jamie Blakeley, give him a shout out. Check him out. Support the small guys. Yeah, check him out. Get you one of these trapper totes. They're really nice. I'm going to put it to the test on my line this year. It even comes with this nice Blakeley trapping supplies. Yeah. Yeah, it's a nice tote. So, okay guys, well, that's that. Just wanted to make a short video. Sorry, no action on the line, but hey, give Jamie Blakeley a shout out. check out his website, check him out, look him up on Facebook. He does drawings and stuff, does mystery boxes, pretty good ideas. So, alright guys, see you tomorrow.